Hello everyone. What I have here is a best 7-pin SFIC core. I will not be gutting this one mainly because I really don't know how. That seems to be riveted in place or something. So I don't know. We may take a look at that and see if it will pop off or something once we get it picked. But I will rotate it around to show you that all the pins are in there. But if I'm not mistaken, you should be able to see it doesn't really show anything. But yeah, I'll rotate it around so you can see the pins through the bottom there. Yeah, I don't know how to take one of these apart. I'll have to look that up. All right. Just gonna use bottom of the keyway tension and a Peterson #1 hook. Oh, I think I've already screwed that up. There we go. Alright, let me try to get this rotated. I'll try to show you the pins through the bottom here. Well, it doesn't seem to rotate that far. Oh, there they are, yeah. There they are. See if the flashlight will. Whoop, and we're all blind now. I think you can see all the drivers are up there. And there's all the key pins. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. That is the 7-pin best LFIC. Something just, oh, the master wafer just fell out in my hand. Oh well, glad to be rid of that. Anyway, take care everyone. Thanks for watching.